Hi everyone, today I'm going to go over how to remove the center speaker grill in the F60 MINI Countryman ranging from 2017 to 2024. All you will need to do this is a trim tool, preferably one with a hook. Now let's examine the first piece. On the sides there are these two little tabs on each side that seem to secure this under this edge. Then in the back and front there are these metal clips that also seem to hold this piece in place with their shape in these holes. And lastly, I just want to mention that there is this lip going around the whole piece that could be used to pry. Knowing this information, let's get started. You can pry the edge as I just mentioned, and I've seen some people do, but that may leave some indentation in your dash, so just take some precautions there. I just found it easiest to pull it straight up using the hook to grab one of the side vents. Whichever method you choose, I would just do one corner at a time so that you're just fighting the resistance of one clip at a time. Once you free one corner, just move on to the next. When you free two clips, you probably have enough room to just use your hands now, so just pop the last two clips out. And that's it, you've done it. To put the speaker grill back on, I would just line it up, then push it down until everything snaps back into place. I hope this helped you, and thanks for watching.